Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're sharing a very easy and quick way of making Schezwan Chilli Prawns. So let's see how to make it. First, take out the shell of the prawn. Give a cut on its back and clean it. Just like this. And then wash them clean. Once this is done, we have to marinate the prawns. So add some salt, chili, ginger, garlic paste, squeeze a wedge of lime, 2 tablespoons soya sauce, crack 1 egg in it, and nicely mix it. Instead food color, we're going to add red chili powder, then add corn flour and rice flour, and then mix it all together. Prawns are nicely marinated, so let's fry it now. Take some oil in a pan. This time we're going to shallow fry the prawns, and our whole recipe will be in the same pan. So once oil is heated, put the prawns for frying. Prawns cook very quick, so after 2 minutes you flip them. You can see from one side it's nicely cooked. So let's cook them from the other side. You can see all prawns are perfectly cooked now. So let's arrange them on the side of the pan. Add some oil at the center of the pan. Put 2 chopped cloves of garlic in it, 1 sliced green chili, on top, add 1 diced onion. Mix it all together. Add salt to taste. On top, add green pepper and give it a good stir and fry it nicely. Add 2 tablespoons soya sauce and 1 tablespoon Schezwan chutney. For Schezwan Chutney Recipe, we have given link in the description box. Mix it well. We are adding corn flour mixed water. You can skip it if you don't want to. We put water in the same bowl which we were using for marinating the prawns. So we don't need to take additional corn flour. And here our Schezwan Chilli Prawns are ready. I'm gonna try it now. You do try this recipe and write us in comments how it came out. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.